Don't just spend time in nature. Invest time in nature. Invest time in yourself to slow down and connect with nature and get an incredible return on your investment of that time, of that space, of that connection, to feel the benefits, to feel the sense of spaciousness, the sense of lightness and freedom that nature can give you when you invest that time in the connection, in yourself, in your relationship with nature. You will never be cheated by nature. There will always be a wonderful balance of reciprocity, of giving and receiving. Whilst you invest that time, you will receive so much in exchange. So yeah, invest time in nature.